look like a different bitch. Like, who am I right now? I don't know who this woman is looking at me. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Shania here. Today I'm going to be doing an IG Baddie makeup tutorial. IG Baddie, like, that's such a weird term, right? Is it weird? I don't know. But yeah, this is just an IG Baddie makeup look where it's like really basic eyes, big lashes, wing liner, and then a really beat face. So hella contour, bright under eyes, all that good stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I asked you guys on Twitter, when you hear the word IG Baddie, what style of makeup do you think of? And a lot of people were saying like majority of the same thing. So like soft glam with like big lashes, wing liner, matte lipstick or gloss, but like nude. A really beat face with like, you know, a perfect base. You know what I mean? That's usually what I go for anyways. I don't really call it IG Baddie. I just like, that's just my routine. That's what I do. So I guess I'm an IG Baddie. Okay. So let's get started. I did my brows like a little bit of like this like burgundy color because my hair is burgundy, okay? So get into it. But I'm gonna be using this palette. I used it for the first time yesterday. This palette is gorgeous, not gonna lie. It has like pinks and like browns in it, but I'm only gonna use like 2 shades, so that's cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with some concealer, like a quick coat of concealer. But yeah, I wanted to do like an IG Baddie look because I have this like burgundy wig on and I'm like, I want to be a baddie today. You know what I mean? Like, don't you just wake up one day and you're like, I want to look like a different bitch. Like, I just want to be different. I want to be cute. And I feel like that style of makeup, like that baddie, like soft glam, big lashes, wing liner look is like so in right now. And I personally love that look. Like, I used to be not a big fan of those humongous 25mm lashes, but like I'm all of a sudden like really into it. B3, this shade right here, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease. I'm gonna use this ABH A25 brush. I'm just gonna pop that in my crease. A little light wash. I don't know what's happening right there. You can like barely see this right here, but okay, now I'm gonna take the shade D5 and I'm just gonna use that to just deepen the crease a little bit. And I like to really bring my shadow up into the front of the brow just to really diffuse it and just make it look super blended. I'm gonna take the, of course, the jackieaina palette from ABH, and I'm gonna grab the shade Credit, the brown. The way I like barely touch this palette because I'm just like, I don't want to hit pan on any of these shades because this is a like limited edition palette. So I'm scared to mess it up. Anyways, I'm going to take Credit and I'm going to pop that in my crease. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a matte shade on the lid. So D1, B3, pop that on the lid. This is very similar to my soft glam makeup look that I already filmed, but I'm just gonna be adding like a big winged liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the Anastasia liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna do a wing as best as I can. Ooh, that looks so much better. Oh, period. Okay, let me try to replicate this on this eye. I have these really big lashes from Morphe. Well, they're kind of big to me. And they're in the style Go On and Fake It. They look like this. Can y'all see? They're really cute. So I'm gonna pop these on real quick and then I'll be right back for the face. Okay, now we're gonna do the face because that's like really what I love doing the most. I don't know, something about doing my face makeup is just so soothing. But anyways, I want to try out this new primer from Makeup Revolution. It's the Cloud Complexion Soft Touch Primer. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really nice packaging. I'm not gonna lie. It's like iridescent. It's so pretty. Ooh, look at that. It smells so good. My cheeks and see. Oh, okay. Now that is feeling so good on my skin right now. Are you kidding me? I'm looking a little oily, so this is really helping. Oh, wow. This feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna put this all over my face right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Benefit, what are these called? Cakeless Concealer in the shade 12. I'm just gonna do a little bit of color correcting around my mouth. And I like to use this concealer because first of all, it's super pigmented. And I like that it has like this really, really warm undertone. So it really helps with my discoloration and like acne scarring. Then I let it dry for like 30 seconds, 1 minute. Then I blend it out. So I'm just gonna fan my face a little bit so I can dry quicker. Now I'm gonna go in and set that with translucent powder, and I'm using this Urban Decay waterproof setting powder. Now that we have that all on, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 445. I love this. And I only use like a little bit of this, honestly. I don't use that much. We already color corrected and like we basically have all the layers that we need. So we don't have to do too much when it comes to foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some cream contouring because the IG girls always have a really chiseled, snatched contour. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this ABH stick foundation in the shade Cool Earth. And I'm just going to apply that on the cheekbones. Take my Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 70 NY. And the IG girls always have really, really bright under eyes, so that's exactly what we're going for today. So I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just going to pop that right under here as well. Just a little bit, not too much, sweetie. Just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out. Take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and set my under eyes. Then I like to go in with some translucent powder. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills translucent powder. And I'm just going to bake a little bit under the eyes. And then down the sides of the nose. Okay, now I look crazy, but I'm gonna do some bronzing now. I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer from Benefit in the shade Toasted. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply some blush, of course. I'm going to use the blush trio from ABH in the shades Berry Adore. Credit from the Jackieaina palette, and I'm gonna pop that right under there just to give us a little smokiness. And my volume 4 palette from Norvina again, and I'm gonna take the shade D1 like we applied before. I'm just gonna brighten up my inner corners. Okay, the lip liner that I always use is the Maybelline Brown Eyeliner. This is the Tattoo Studio Gel Liner. I use this all the time. Just gonna overline my lips. Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that to the center of my lips. Not them turning the air conditioning on. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is honestly like a really basic look, and I've definitely done this like 3 or 4 times before, but I don't know what else to say. But yeah, this is the IG Baddie Glam. Big lashes, wing liner, super basic eyes, but a really full beat face, bright under eyes, you know, all that jazz. Okay, if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. I'll leave the products that I use in the description box down below for you guys to check out, and then you can follow me Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all at Makeup by Shania. I actually just hit 19,000 on Instagram, which is crazy, and then I hit 43,000 yesterday on Twitter. Crazy, I know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support and all the love, and I'll see you guys in the next video.